Hello again. So I'm back again with a new video, and today it's 2nd of June, and I pretty much just wake up from my bed. I woke up earlier, but I just got out of my bed just right now. And today we haven't got any plans already made, but let's see. Today I actually had planned to go on a bike ride, but due to the weather condition, it's raining so heavily. Like, uh, I don't know. I don't even think it's safe to go outside. Like, it's really bad, and it's cold. It's 16 degrees outside, so I put on this heavy jacket, but I feel it's still cold. It's so cold that I didn't even want to get out of my bed, even though I woke up at 8 a.m. But I just got out of my bed at 10:30, so you can relate. But we are hungry, so we need to prepare some breakfast for ourselves and then get started with our day. So today, what have we got? Uh, we could go with some eggs, or we could go with some Cheerios and breakfast. Okay, let's try this thing. So today we have got the Uncle Toby's plus iron chunky cluster cashew. Yeah, that's it. Sounds good. So I just finished my breakfast and also finished a football match during my breakfast. And I just came out to see how the weather going on, and it seems good enough that we could still make it out to a bicycle ride. I think so. What do you think? This is a good weather, but it's still there are some dark clouds on that side. But why not? Let's just take some chances and then go for a bicycle ride. Yeah, let's just do it. Yeah. So just as I'm about to head out, it started raining again. So, but it doesn't seem to be like a heavy rain. It's like a like raining. Just it comes by and then goes away. So, anyways, we're just gonna uh, get our bike. So this is my bike. It's just disassembled right now, and I'm just gonna put it into my trunk and then head out. And then if the weather favors, then we will have a good ride out of it. So let me just install the put it into my trunk. Let me open this. So we're all set. So the bicycle is in the trunk, and there it is, and there's my helmet, and yeah, it's steady. I would say that. So we're ready to head out. There is still light raining outside, but we're just gonna go out and see, or else we'll just return without a ride.
Have you got it going?
Yeah, it's on.
Is it?
Yeah.
Hey, you're an Irishman. Where you from?
I'm from Nepal.
Nepal. Nice to
Yeah.
meet you. Con. I'm Con.
I'm Sudip.
And Kate.
Hi, nice to meet
Yeah.
you. How are you guys?
Where-
How's Nepal?
Huh?
How long since you've been in Nepal?
I was born in Nepal.
And how long here?
I have been here for almost 1.5 years.
Oh, wow.
Jeez, you're
okay.
old. You're
I
old.
love
You'll make a
the
Aussie
Java.
one time.
No.
You never
No,
saw
you
salt
didn't.
water until you came here.
This is the first time I saw
I
you.
just said to you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nepal.
Nice to meet you. Right.
to meet you.
But
welcome
there's
to-
snow.
Yeah.
There's
Yeah.
snow.
Yeah.
Full of snow.
Yeah.
Come on.
Have a good day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have a good
Have a
day.
good day.
You
See
too.
ya.
Bye bye. See ya. Bye bye. I have been riding for an hour, I guess, and I came to my final destination. And let me show you this view. This is the background where there are a lot of wild birds. So it felt like I have been here in this park for 30 minutes, but when I check time, then it's more than an hour. But it's so quiet, peaceful, and the scenic view is so damn beautiful that I could not keep the track of time. But anyways, we gotta keep on going, and I need to head back to my car park and then disassemble my bike and then load it into the boot. But anyways, it's such a beautiful place that I need to keep on coming frequently. And there are such a good people around here. They will come by and talk to you. How are your day? How it's such a nice weather and things like that. And it just fills you up and fills your heart with good energy. And I think next time I need to bring some snacks as well because I'm kind of getting hungry. It's already 10:02. So let me just head back to my car park and then we'll head back home. All right, see ya. Car park in finished our ride and the weather was really good. It was in our favor, obviously. And yeah, it was a bit of a longer ride than my usual rides, and that's why I'm a little out of my breath and my battery is also about to be dead. So, but no worries at all because we're back at our car and we're gonna charge my phone and head back home. So just put your passenger seat belt on and then we will have a safe ride back home. So finally, after a long day, we are back at home and we're gonna take out our bicycle and then we're gonna put it into garage. So let's just do it. So we are all set and finally we get to sit on a couch, relax and all after a long day of traveling and roaming around, videoing, shooting, all those things. But I feel hungry now and I have been burning a lot of calories, so I think it's time for me to fill that hunger again with some protein. Definitely, why not? So I have got some chicken and some lamb with some chicken drumstick marinated already in my refrigerator. So I'm ready to get started with the cooking. And I'll let you know how it goes and you might get to see some photos.